Okay, so this is me unboxing the Switch, which is really fucking confusing. This is all you get. See this right here? Like, this shit don't say nothing. It's like, follow the directions on the box. Here's the directions on the box. Plug it in. Set it up. And that's it. And then this is what you get. So there's like some screen thingy, and then these little Joy-Cons is what they're called. Here's an HDMI cable. Here's the plug-in. And I guess this is like the little console thing, and I guess you put the, like, that thing in there. I don't know. It makes no fucking sense. Look at it. See? And you put it in there, and I guess these things attached on the fucking sides. And then there's this thing. What the fuck is this thing? Like, what do you, I don't, the fuck? Does that attach to this and you just don't need that screen thing? Or, I don't know. And then you got these little things. There's two of them. Rebel. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Look at it. And there's my directions. What the fuck? It makes no sense. I don't know. It's cute. Oh, look how cute it is. Yeah. Dude. This is why I need a dude in my life. Like, what the fuck? Hey, Rebel.